How to create a reviews page. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to set up a reviews page that captures and displays reviews. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. How to set up a reviews page. The first thing you want to do is go into Supremacy version 3 and then reviews, and then design and behavior, and then settings, and then you can change your background color there. So you can just change the color there. You can close out of that and click Save Changes. So you can then click on Fields and you can add any fields you like. So if I click on that Add field there, that will add in an email address, and if I click on Delete, it will then remove it again. Now if I click on Placeholders, I can change this to whatever I like. Thank you for the free Clicky website. Then I just click on Save Changes, then I can click on Display, and once again I can click on Background, and I can choose any color I want. X out of that and show you it's changed to that grey color. And put a border in, so red border. Put that red border around there, and then I'm going to X out of there and save my changes. So now I want to go into Pages, All Pages, and then under my Reviews page I want to edit with Thrive Architect. Now I'm going to drag this WordPress content item into the content box here. And then I want to go into Supremacy version 3 reviews and shortcodes, and I want to copy and paste the shortcode in here. And then I want to go back into my Thrive Architect page and copy and paste that into the text version of my WordPress element, and then click Save, and that will automatically add those reviews in there. Now I want to drag in another WordPress content element into this content box, and once again I want to go into Project Supremacy Reviews and Shortcodes, and I want to copy and paste this shortcode, and then in the text option again I want to copy paste that in and click Save, and that will leave me with this Please Leave a Review. And then I want to scroll to the bottom and just save that. And then on my page now I'll have the reviews that get submitted, and this will be automatically updated when a new review is added, and my box to leave a review. And that's it for creating a review page. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.